to bring the bottles of Fulvic water? No, I forgot. When you come back up, don't forget the Fulvic water. Care for a bottle of Fulvic water? No, I don't. Like... This has been a public service announcement. If this works, it will taste better than Fulvic water. I hope you already know the scientific method. Here we go. I guess now it can taste better than Fulvic water. My head's stuck. Help, help. You drink Fulvic water? No. What if I was gonna help me? Help. Help me. Help me. What are you seeing that Fulvic mineral? Well, look for yourself. I get a bang out of Fulvic. Excuse me, we're gonna get a bottle of water. Fulvic mineral? No, just any kind. I think that might be what you call an accident, Crow. My hands suck. Help, help. Do you drink Fulvic mineral? No. Wait, what are you doing? I thought you was gonna help me. Help! Help! Fulvic is the best mineral because it can consume your cell into fulvinicity. Big deal. I like these punchy commercials. Hey, taxi! We're gonna get a cup of coffee. Folgers coffee, not just any old kind. Hey, taxi! Taxi! Lottery speeding. I wanted a cup of coffee. Folgers coffee? No, just coffee! Next time I'll say Folgers. This is Folgers coffee, the finest. I'll go soak your head. And Folgers coffee, at pleasure. Come along, the barrel label bacon soup's ready. I don't like bacon soup. Okay then, have some fish. I must have said the wrong thing.
Questions for a couple of hours.
What happened to you? I lost my shark face over Red Label vegetable soup. Have a can? Yeah! What are you supposed to upset him? If you don't eat Red Label vegetable soup, you're not all there. Oh, that's a lot. In fact, without Red Label vegetable soup, you're nowhere. Can Red Label vegetable soup. Can't say that I do. Can't say anything now, splat your face out. One is stop top door outside the truck so you can get on top of the truck. No, just keep it down on the ground, okay? Some people just never learn. You know, people who doesn't use top door to their trucks just blow up sometimes. Oh, that's a lot of... See what I mean? What happens with trucks? You install top door to your truck? No, so what? Well, if anything's happened to people that doesn't install top door to their trucks... Top door is really good. Boy, what a bad commercial. A commercial may be bad, but the product's wonderful. Okay, buddy. Have you ever tasted Warman's bread yet? No! Have you ever tasted Warbin's bread yet? Tell us in the comments below. Ah! You want some Warbin's bread? I prefer the Kroger off-brand wheat bread. There can only be one, and that's Warbin's. There's enough bread in the Warbin's Giant Loaf to make 15 sandwiches. Bologna! 15 bologna sandwiches coming up! Do you eat Warbin's bread? No! Fame seems to have it to people who doesn't eat Warbin's bread. You know, people who doesn't eat Warbin's bread just get out of this world. Oh, that's a lot. See? You can't persuade me Warbin's by the ton! What was that? Another ton of Warbin's has just arrived. I can get you Warbin's bread for the price. I wouldn't touch it! There's no future in an attitude like that. I say, Chef, would you mind go to the grocery store and buy me a loaf of Warbin's bread? It will help me, but actually, it isn't bad bread at all.